Hallo, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for stopping by. Today I have some very quick summer cards for you, so let's get started. So to start it off, I made a set of small note cards and I used a sticker sheet. Let me zoom this out. And this is by Forever in Time, and it had these mermaids on here and these sea creatures. So this looked like summer to me, and I was like, okay, what can we do with it? And like I said, I created some little note cards, and these note cards are, let me see how big they are. I made those 3.5 by 3.5. So little note cards to say thank you, etc. And what I did is I just used these stickers and then some glittery background paper that I thought looks like ocean paper. And then a couple of sequins for more bling. And then these stickers. Now the stickers are 3D stickers. And there are several on here, so you will see I made several cards with just this one sticker sheet. And of course they're very quick because all you have to do is put on this stickers. Now I also made matching envelopes. So I have these cute note cards. Here is my next one. And there is this mermaid and couple of shells, and of course the glitter strip and the envelope. And then the next one is again the mermaid and the seashell. So basically the same way to embellish these little note cards, and these are great to have around for like a thank you or hello. Something anybody can use in their desks to have that ready when you need a little note card. But I also made a couple of bigger cards. So here I have this bigger sticker. I think that was the biggest sticker here, the mermaid and the sea. And all I did is, first of all, this is a very old paper pack, so I cannot tell you where this paper came from, but I loved it. It's so glittery. And then I just added a little bit of silver holographic paper and then made that like a cluster here. Added a couple of sequins and then sending mermaid hugs. So I just put sending hugs, which is a stamp, and then left that mermaid and took the sea out. So I just have now not the mermaid sea the way it came, but I added sending mermaid hugs, and I thought it's cute. And then I also have these ones here. The mermaid, of course, is also part of that sticker pack, so that small pack has a lot of stickers, and I made that into wishes, mermaid wishes. These are stickers I have in my shop. They're actually best wishes in several colors, and the seafoam color was just perfect for this card. And I added a little bit of bling that I also have in my shop, and I'm gonna link it below. I love this. This looks just like water pearls. So yes, I'm not quite sure what they're called, but I'll check it underneath. I have it linked there. And they are dimensional and look just like water drops, so it feels like she is swimming in the clear waters. The same company also made this happy birthday sticker sheet, and this is so delicious. Look at the cake and the cupcake. The couple candles. So I made cards with this as well. Now I needed to find some papers, and I have found these papers by Dress My Craft, and this is called Sweet Treats. It's a 6 by 6 paper pack. with 24 papers. Each paper is in there twice, and it has 240 GSM. So this is pretty thick cardstock and is actually perfect for using as a card length for a mini slimline card. So here is the pad, and these papers are gorgeous. I mean, look at, they have, first of all, there is this sheen to it. So they all have, they're one-sided, but single-sided, but they have this beautiful sheen to it. So each is in here twice. So let's just go through here. And you have probably seen these papers before. I have used them, but they are so gorgeous. Let me just put it down and maybe zoom in a little bit, then it is easier for me to go through them. Here are all the cupcakes. So delicious looking. Then you have a few cut aparts. And that's it. So the cards I have made with these two, with these two elements are slimline cards, of course, because these 6x6 papers are just perfect for slimline cards. So here we have this one with the cupcakes, and all I did is I added this doily and then this beautiful cake and a couple of flower stickers that I had in my stash. I made, of course, a matching envelope, and here it is. The next one we have right here, and this has this sweet shop, the bakery. I added just the candles from the sticker sheet and a happy birthday sentiment, and made a envelope. And this is my second card. Here comes the cupcake in this beautiful cupcake stand. Wow. But look at the paper. So wonderful. Here it has some ice cream on it, some balloons, a little bit of script. Love these. They're small. For a small gift, you could add these. And this is my last one. Of course, we had all these beautiful cups and saucers, the fruit, and then I added those two cupcakes, the happy birthday, and a little bit of glitter. I punched out a doily, and of course a card. So these are my 4 cards that I made with this cute sticker sheet. So I hope you liked my quick cards from just those 2 sticker sheets. I made all these pretty cards. I hope you liked them. If so, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share this video. That would really help me out. Share it with your crafty friends and family. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you very much for spending time with me. Please stay or get well, and happy crafting. I'll catch you next time. Bye.